How to remove music in Inshot app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove music that you have added while editing pictures or video in Inshot app. So let us begin. First of all, open up your Inshot app and go to the project where you want to remove the music from. After you do that, you will notice a small pink line on the bottom of your project. That's the music. Now to remove that, what you need to do is go to the music section. To go to the music section, go to audio, and after you go to the audio, you will see music, and this is the music that you've added. Now to remove this, simply tap on the music. You can scroll and then you'll find the delete option. If you don't want to delete it, you can even change the volume. You can make the volume very dim. You can even set it at 0. If you want to delete it, remove it, tap on delete and it's gone. After you do that, tap on the checkbox, the tick on the right side, and you're done. So that is basically how you remove the music in Inshot app, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.